Get away from the house. Come on, let's go. Run. Let's go. Hurry up. Over here. Sit down. Sit down. Over here, Buster. Stay right here. Stay right here. Sit down. 2 trees just collapsed. I'm going to go over there and I'll show you. Come on, Stu. Get over here. Just about on the railroad tracks, too. Here's a better, closer view of it all right here. And some of the debris that landed on the tracks. And I'm kind of in a dangerous area. There's quite a bit of dead limbs above me from this old maple tree. I'm looking at my property from the railroad. So it's later in the day right now. The wind has stopped, as you can see, and I am back at my house where it's safe. But if the wind comes up or picks up again, I'm going to be back outside beside a tree, and that way there, if one decides to fall, I can pivot either direction and get away from the direction of the tree falling. That's about it for now. Y'all take care, and we'll chat more later. Bye.